In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Squarespace accordion dropdown with images. We'll walk through each step, making sure everything is clear and easy to understand. Whether you're sprucing up your personal blog or professional site, this guide will help you add an engaging accordion feature to your Squarespace page. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to your Squarespace website editor. From your homepage dashboard, click on the option to add a block. This will open up a variety of blocks you can use to build your website. Scroll through the options until you find the accordion block. Accurately placing this block will allow you to create collapsible content, perfect for minimizing clutter and keeping your site looking slick. Once you've inserted the accordion, you'll need to edit it to fit your content. Click on the newly added accordion block and select Edit. This is where you'll be able to customize what information your accordion will display. As you edit, you'll be prompted to choose an accordion content section. With your sections outlined, simply click the arrow to the right to continue setting up your accordion. Here, you'll be asked to type in a title for your accordion dropdown. Think of something that clearly conveys the content that will be beneath it. Next, add a description for your accordion. This text will be what users see when they expand the dropdown. To make your site look professional and polished, consider highlighting some text in your description. This can add emphasis to important information or simply make the text more visually appealing. With your text highlighted, look for the link icon and click on it. This feature allows visitors to click through to another page or download additional resources. Follow the prompts and select File to add relevant documents or imagery. This is especially useful for businesses or portfolios, where downloadable content can add significant value to your audience. Now, click the arrow down to proceed. You'll see an option to click on File. This allows you to link a file from your library or add a new one. For a new upload, choose Upload a File. Ensure your file is ready before this step for a smooth experience. Once your files are uploaded, navigate back using the Back button. Now it's time to refine the appearance of your accordion block. Click on Design to experiment with the look of your accordion. Consider the style and layout on your current page, customizing until it complements your overall site design. Don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save to ensure everything you've edited is secure. Once saved, preview your homepage to confirm that the accordion appears correctly and functions as expected. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a sophisticated accordion dropdown with images to your Squarespace website, enhancing both form and functionality.